Hi friends, myself Meet Balani. I am from non-IT background. I would thanks to HN Techno and Vijay sir who provide me such a great knowledge in IT field and help me to build my career in IT field. In HN Techno, Vijay sir trained student from scratch to advanced level with practice projects and their experience of work. After this training, Vijay sir also take practice interview with the same method which follow in MNC companies. To after this interview, if anyone want to build their career in IT field and want to learn any language from scratch to advance, I would recommend them to join HN Techno for best learning. And also HN Techno provide placement to student for jobs. Thank you.